I'm sure we're all used to using these clamps like this to hold a couple pieces of wood together. But tonight I kind of wanted to show you something you might not have known about. So I got this top screwed in perfectly straight, but the bottom is really crooked and it's not lining up. Well, these type of clamps have the ability to remove that, and you put it on this side. But some of the less expensive ones, it's actually a Phillips screw right there, but you can still take them apart. And then when you squeeze it, it'll actually spread the wood apart. You can go just until you line up. Use one here to clamp it tight. And then drive your screw in. See how easy that was? Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe and turn on your notifications.